Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, and the People's National Party, PNP, agree to take part in some political debate where the Jamaica Debates Commission, JDC, are going to keep before the next local government election. The court charged dancehall artist Popcaan 10 grand after him tell them some guilty for go against some of the Road Traffic Act. Alia Atkinson, who was Jamaica 4-time short course swimming world championship gold medalist, get one honorary degree of Doctors of Law from the University of the West Indies. The West Indies get kicked out of the ICC T20 World Cup after Sri Lanka beat them by 20 runs. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Braadkyaas Jamiekan for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. The Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, and the People's National Party, PNP, agree to take part in some political debate where the Jamaica Debates Commission, JDC, are going to keep before the next local government election. Them agree upon this after them sign a Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, yesterday at the office of the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce in Kingston. Dr. Horace Chang, who was the General Secretary for the JLP, signed for Theme Party, and Nikisha Burrell, who was the Deputy General Secretary for the PNP, signed for Fair Party. Noel Da Costa, who was the head man for the JDC, being dead for see everything. The next local government election are for go on before the end of February 2022. Alia Atkinson, who was Jamaica 4-time short course swimming world championship gold medalist, get one honorary degree at Doctors of Law from the University of the West Indies. She get this for everything what she do in her career. Atkinson, who got the Olympic 5 times, said the Tokyo Olympic would have been her last one. She 1 out of 14 smarty who get the degree for what she do in the Caribbean and the rest of the world. Atkinson hold the world record in the 50 meter and the 100 meter breaststroke. She still a swimmer foreign. The court charged dancehall artist Popcaan 10 grand after him tell them say him guilty for go against some of the Road Traffic Act. Him go before the court yesterday morning for answer some charge for a ride one bike without insurance or fitness, for a ride without one helmet, and for a ride a bike when a license. On top of that, the judge warned him for a ride without one license plate. Popcaan did get charged on April 25 after police said them see him on River Road in a Bad St. Thomas a ride careless. The police are looking for one man who was security guard took one gun when on a license from in a Portmore St. Catherine. This going around 8:35 at the Port Henderson Road near White Lane. According to the police report, the guard did sit down on one stall when the man point one gun on him. Them start fight and the guard take away one semi-automatic pistol but having 7 bullets. The man get away and the guard get the gun to the police. The police said them charged 2 men who bust some shot off of them when them try to stop them 2 weeks back. The police said them charged 27 years old Clifford Cockins who come from Riley Road in a Lucy for have gun where him not a license for. According to the police report, on October 25, the police said they stopped the bike. The rider never stopped and them say Cockins bust some shot off of them. Them say Cockins run left the gun. Him get charged Monday. Now for sports. The West Indies get kicked out of the ICC T20 World Cup after Sri Lanka beat them by 20 runs. Them lose 3 out of them 4 match. Sri Lanka make 189 and lose 3 wickets after them bat first. West Indies make 168 runs and lose 8 wickets. Nicholas Pooran make a top score of 46 runs. People, remember the curfew are from 8 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.